Hi, I'm Chris Pitt, creator of the Pulsor. Welcome to this first video tutorial. First up, I'm going to show you how to install the Pulsor. It is important to note that the installation procedure is the same whether you're installing the trial version, the full version, or an update. As you can see, I've already downloaded the Pulsor installation file from the Maverick Synth website and copied it onto my desktop. Now I simply double-click on the icon to run the installation. A dialog opens telling you that the Pulsor is going to be installed. Just click Next. A dialog now opens inviting you to pick a folder in which to put the Pulsor's files. Here you have two options. You can either install the files to the default folder and manually move them to your normal plugin folder, or, as I'm going to do here, you can navigate to your plugin folder and save the Pulsor's files there. Once you have selected your destination folder, click Next. Read and accept the license agreement, and then click Next again. Now click Install to install the Pulsor. When the user account control dialog appears, click Yes. The Pulsor is now installed. The README file contains a quick get started guide to the Pulsor and any other relevant release information. Most of this information can be found in the following video tutorials. As well as the Pulsor DLL file and the README file, the Pulsor manual is installed into the same directory. You probably want to move it to a more convenient location, in this case the desktop. Finally, open your digital audio workstation and rescan the plugins. The Pulsor will now be ready to go. Well, that's it for this tutorial video. See you for part 2, getting started with the Pulsor.